In this video today, we will see what if you cannot download any application from Google Play Store. Now the first thing what you can do is you can simply restart your phone. Sometimes simply restarting the phone fixes many of the minor issues. The next thing after that what you have to do is, since you need internet to download app from Google Play Store, so check if there is internet connection in your device or not. And in order to do that one, you can open any YouTube videos or you can open any website to check if there is internet connection or not. If you have a problem with internet connection, simply restart your router, or else what you can do is you can go to settings, you can go to general management, go to reset and select this options, reset network settings. So this will reset all the settings related to Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. But keep in mind, after you reset the network settings, you need to enter the password for Wi-Fi again. So if you don't know the password for the Wi-Fi, then avoid this step. You just restart the router only. Now after this, what you need to do is you need to check how much of space is left in the device. For that one, go to settings, go to this option device care, go to storage, and from here you can see how much of space is left. For me, out of 64 gigabyte, I have used 41.7 gigabyte, so I have 22.3 gigabyte left. So you need to make sure that you have at least 100 MB of space left in order to install any application. Now the other thing is there might be a problem with the Google Play Store. So go to settings, go to the option apps, and from here you have to look for Google Play Store. Open this Google Play Store, go to this storage, select clear cache and select clear data. Okay. The other thing that you can do is you can go back to this apps screen, go to Google Play Services, open storage, select clear cache, go to manage storage, select clear all data. Okay. So once you have cleared the cache files for Google Play Store and Google Play Services, try to download an application. Now also what you can do is you can go to the Google Play Store again, tap on these three dotted icons, select the option uninstall updates. Now the version of the Google Play Store that you are using right now might have a problem. So what you do is you uninstall the update, select OK. So once you have uninstalled the update for Google Play Store, check if you can download the app now or not. Now the last thing that you can do is you can remove your Google account once and then again add the Google account again to see if this will fix the issue. If you want to remove the Google account, you have to go to settings, go to this option accounts and backup, accounts, select the account and then remove account. Once you have removed the account, if you have to again add the account, you will come back to this accounts screen, you will go down and select add account, you will select Google. If you have used a fingerprint or a PIN code, you have to enter it, and then you will enter your Google account and then password to add the Google account again. So do all of these things and check if you can download application from Google Play Store or not. Now by doing all of these steps also, still if you cannot download application, then you can try once in another phone to check if you can download application in another phone or not. Sometimes there might be a problem with Google Play Store, which will be fixed automatically later on by Google.